To draw the wheel, which is colored black, I want my background color to be yellow so that you can easily see the wheel. And then as I generate the wheel, I want the turtle to be hidden. Now, I have to draw four concentric circles here with radii 20, 60, 210, and 250. You will see to which these circles correspond. Now, before I draw each circle, I have to make sure that my pen is up so that I don't generate any unwanted line from the center. And then I set the initial point for the drawing of the circle to be negative I so that the circle will be exactly in the center of the screen. And then I put the pen down and then I draw the circle. Now, this loop is repeated 4 times corresponding to the 4 circles with different radii. Now, after that, I draw the 36 wheel spokes. These are lines. And then I'm using a loop for that. Look at this, there are 36 repetitions here. Again, I make sure that before I draw a line, I put the pen up so that I don't generate any unwanted line. And then I go to the center of the screen so that the lines will be perfectly centered on the screen. And then, yes, I don't want this line 60 units in length to be visible on the screen. So I made sure that the pen is up while I am doing this forward 60. And then after that, I put the pen down. I'm ready to draw a spoke or a wheel from the center of the circle, which is 150 units long. And then I repeat the steps here in the loop for the second line. And then on until we reach the 36th line, we are done with the wheel. This is how the image looks like.